Good morning. Today's our subject is accounting skills for hospitality and topic is uniform account system for hotels. So we start with the meaning. Uniform system of accounts is used by the several hotels and restaurants of the same accounting, costing and sale principle or and practices. Uniform accounting is thus not a separate technique or method. It simply denotes a situation in which a number of hotels and restaurants may use the same accounting, costing and sales principle in such a way as to produce sales. Valuable conclusions can be drawn and one hotel can be compared to others. In uniform account system, this is used by the several hotels and restaurants for the same accounting principles and practices. They follow all the hotels and restaurants are follow same accounting principles and practices. There is not a separate technique or a method to accounting. It is simply to denote a situation in which a number of hotels and restaurants may use in the same accounting. This is for costing and sales. So principles in such a way as to produce the same valuable conclusions can be drawn and one hotel can be compared to the others. So that's why uniform accounting system is used in the all accounting and all the hotels and restaurants so that at the end we can conclude or we can compare the other hotels accounting. Hotel and hospitality is the large industry in India as well as entire world. Most of countries try to attract the tourists through launching of attractive tourist places which may able to fulfill their ambition of joy and peace both. This industry is soul of service sector because this industry is cause of highest rate of return to the investors and potential investors. Nowadays, hotels and hospitality, it is a large industry in India as well as the entire world. Most of the countries try to attract the tourists through launching of attractive tourist place, which may able to fulfill their ambition and joy and peace both. So the hotels industry is soul of service sector because this industry cause of the highest rate of return to the investors and the potential investors. Hotel industry generates thousands of jobs by way of room service, production of food, restaurant service, and at a different managerial levels. So people with the ambition of high professional skills to join the institute like IHM, Dehradun provide the professional training matching with the international standards. So the increasing the rate of the tourist in the tourist place. Nowadays, many students join the IHM Dehradun to provide the professional training with the matching international standards by way of room service, production of food, restaurant service, and at a different managerial levels. So nowadays, this is the people with the ambitions of high professional skills to join the institute like these. So there are main causes, reasons, and objectives of adopting uniform system of accounting. Why hotels and restaurants adopt a uniform system of accounting? First of all, they can at the end of the year they can compare or they can conclude the accounting at the same level, and they can compare with the another restaurant and another hotel accounting. So these are the another objectives why hotels and restaurants adopt the objective of accounting uniform system of accounting. So first point is existence of different system of the bookkeeping. In different countries, different method of bookkeeping were popular. For example, in UK, double entry system was popular. On the other hand, in India, the subcontinent Indian accounting system, Bharatiya Bahi Khatta Pranali was popular, but in USA accounting system is based on accounting equations. Under such circumstances, hotel industry needs an uniform accounting system to become a must. So existence of different system of bookkeeping in different countries and different methods of bookkeeping were popular. For example, in UK there is a double entry system. So on the other hand, in India there is a containment Indian accounting system was very popular. But in USA, the accounting system is based on the accounting equations. Under such circumstances, hotel industry needs a uniform accounting system become a must. So nowadays, every hotel and every restaurant follow the same or uniform accounting system. Now come to the point number 2, size of business. After induction of GATT and WTO, most of big industrial houses decide to open multinational chain of the hotels. So nowadays, every person want to open the big industrial houses, and he also decide to open the multinational chain of the hotels. As a result, size of the business of hospitality industry expanded crosses the boundaries of the country. So expansion of business administration needs a common system of accounting through which they can understand the financial activities in the terms of turnover, cost, and profitability. So size of the business nowadays, every person has to decide the increase the size of the business and has to decide to open the multinational chains of the hotels. So as the result of the size of the business, the hospitality industry expand across the boundaries of the countries. And so that the expansion of the business administration needs a common system of the accounting is very necessary for every accounting, for every restaurant and hotel industry, so through which they can understand the financial activities in terms of the turnover, cost, and profitability. So these are the two objectives why uniform system of accounting is adopted by the hotels and restaurant nowadays. So come to the point number 3, method of production of food and services. In hotel industry, goods and food and services are two main elements of the activities of industry, but it is different from manufacturing, construction, husbandry industry. Uniform accounting system facilitates a specialized system suited accordance with the hotel industry. So method of production of food and services, when we adopt the method of production of food and services, the hotel industry of food and beverage are the two main elements of activities of industry. But it is the differ from the manufacturing, construction, husbandry industry. So all of these industries is different from one to another hotel industry. So uniform accounting system facilitates a specialized system suited according with the hotel industry. Now come to the point number 4, difference in apportionment. There can be a large degree of difference in the accounting treatment of expenses, different basis of collection, absorption of overhead, method of depreciation, etc. Moreover, in departmental time, hotels spend different expenses combinedly and later distribute, allocate, apportion the expenses in any logical manner. So there can be a large degree of difference in the accounting treatment of expenses, different basis of collection, absorption of overhead, method of depreciation. These all methods are different methods are applicable in the accounting and applicable in the hotel industry. So moreover, the in departmental type of hotels spend different expenses combinedly and later distribute, allocate, apportionment in the logical manner. So come to the point number 5, nature of activities. Normal business is working 8 to 10 hours or 12 hours, but in hotel industry, nature of activity differs from normal business houses because hotels provide services around the clock 24 into 7. So in case of hotels, special system of accounting is needed for hotels. As we compare to the another businesses to the hotel, in normal business, working hours is 8 to 10 or 12 hours, but in the hotel industry, they provide 24 into 7 hours services to the customers. And that's why in hotel industry, nature of activity is different from the normal business houses because hotel is providing services around the clock. In case of hotels, special system of accounting is needed for the hotels. So this is all about the objectives. Why uniform accounting system is adopted by the hotels industry nowadays. Now come to the advantages of uniform accounting system. So the very first advantage is transfer. The staff can be transferred from one hotel to another very easily, as due to same accounting system, it does not take long for the staff to adjust the new hotel. When a hotel staff is transferred from one hotel to another, or one branch to another branch of the same hotel or the same chain of the hotel, so they can adjust easily in that hotel or that system of the hotel or accounting system, because there is a accounting system is uniformly adopted by the every hotel and every restaurant. So now comes to the comparison. These hotels are following the same accounting system, so they can be compared among each other. One can find out the causes for higher cost or the lower sales and take corrective measures. So second point is the advantage. We can compare the one accounting system to the another accounting system of the another hotel accounting system. So as we can find out the causes or the higher cost or the lower sales, we can take the corrective measure regarding the business. So the another advantage to following the uniform system of accounting in hotels, buying shares. When general public or financial institutions can compare the hotel's profitability, and it's helped them in deciding the price. They should be pay or to buy the equity takeover or to pay a loan. So as we can compare the accounting system, we can also compare the hotel's profitability, and it also helps them in deciding the price, and we have to we should pay the pay or buy to the equity, or to take over or to pay the loan. The fourth advantage is lease or rent. It is easy to decide on the rent or lease for the hotels and restaurants. Both tenants and the owner can study and compare the expenditure of the income of various hotels and restaurants, and this will help to decide the rental value or lease money for the hotel restaurant on yearly or season basis. So these are rent is the, it is easy to decide. When we decide to rent or lease the hotels or restaurant, we both the tenants and the owner can study the and compare the expenditure and income of the various hotels and restaurants. So on that basis, this will help the decide to rental value or to lease the money for hotel and restaurant on the year basis or the seasonal basis. So these are all the advantages. We have some another advantages. The transfer of employees. Under the global expansion of hotel industry, administration may decide to transfer the employees from one country to another. Under such situations, employee may face the difference in the method of accounting, but due to the efforts of the TUSA Institute and IMH, the students clearly understand the uniform system of accounting. Now it is easier from fresher and transfer candidates to familiar with the accounting system of the next destination. So as we can talk about the transfer of employees. When an employee transfers from one hotel industry to another hotel industry, another hotel, under the global expansion of hotel industry, the administration may decide to transfer the employees from one country to another country. And in such situations, the employee may face the difference in the method of accounting. But when we adopt the same or uniform accounting system, the he or she can easily adjust in the another hotel industry, and so now it is easier from the fresher and transferred candidates to familiar with the accounting system for the next destination. Point number 2, comparison of financial results. At the end of each financial result and the accounting year, owner or board of directors assess the financial statement and the financial results for the two accounting periods or between the two branches of the hotel for the same period, and thereafter decide to corrective steps for the future. It will be helpful to increase the efficiency of subordinates. So when we compare the financial results in the hotel industry at the end of the each financial year and the accounting year, owner and board of the directors assess the financial statement and the financial result for the two accounting periods between the two branches of the hotel for the same period. So that they can match the profitability, or they can show the income and expenses at the end of the year, and they can also match the assets and liability side of the end of the year. That's why they assess the financial statement and financial results for the two accounting periods. As they can corrective steps for the future, it will helpful to increase the efficiency of the subordinates. Shares buying decision. At the end of merger of the two or more hotels, value of each share is decided on any logical basis, which is helpful at the time of the valuation of net worth of the different hotels. At the time of the buying of the share decision, when the two or more hotels merger and the value of each share is decided on any logical basis, which is helpful at the time of the valuation of net worth of different hotels. Through this assessment, financial management take the appropriate decision in direction to enjoy the fruitful profits of this in future. So everybody wants to invest in the profitability in the wealthy company, or in the well-going company. So they at the end of the year or the end of the future, they can enjoy the fruitful profits in the future. Helpful for tax authorities. At the end of each financial year, and financial statement are filed with the income tax authorities by hotel like other business houses. But nature of service industries are different. In this case, uniform accounting system is helpful to income tax authorities for the purpose of tax liability or particular hotel. This is also helpful for the tax authorities. At the end of the each year financial year, everybody has to file the income tax return authorities by the hotel like other business houses. So the nature of services industries are different. As they can uniform accounting system follows, it also helps to income tax authorities for the purpose of taxability for the particular hotel. So that's why nowadays uniform accounting system is followed by the every hotel and restaurant. Decision about lease. So this is a very big decision about a lease or to buy on a rent of a hotel. In hotel industry, it is the custom that owner of building granted lease to professional people who has experience about hotel industry and hospitality industry. At the time of taking the lease of the hotel, uniform accounting system is helpful during the estimation of future profits. Moreover, the system helps about the growth rate of such hotel in recent years. So this is a very big decision for the hotel industry to owner for building granted lease to the professional people or who has the experience about the hotel industry or the hospitality.